In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom questions to a course evaluation. And the reason you might want to do this is if you have questions that are more specifically related to the actual content of the course. So maybe reflective of a change in delivery methods. Perhaps you're used to teaching face-to-face and now you're teaching a flipped version, or if you changed your textbook, or anything that you want to capture that is not represented in the standard course evaluation, that's when you would want to use custom questions.
To do this, you'll need to log onto Canvas, click Account, click Evaluation Kit User, and this will bring you to your Student Evaluations dashboard.
The process of adding custom questions has two steps. First, you need to create a custom survey. Surveys are the actual set of questions. And then you will attach that custom survey to a project. And a project is the main evaluation terms. So we'll have a project for fall 2020, we'll have a project for winter 21, etc. So from the dashboard, we're going to first create our custom survey by clicking Custom Question Surveys. And if you have any that have been previously created, you will see them here. This one does not, so we will go Create New Custom Question Survey. We'll give it a title, something descriptive enough that you will be able to recognize it for what it is. Click Save, and then you will be able to add those questions. From the drop-down, you can select the multiple question types. Perhaps we select multiple selection, click Add. I will enter my question itself, and then down under response options, note that each choice is a new line. So perhaps I have yes, no, maybe. And then the numeric weighting of those is listed on the right. You can also select question properties. So maybe you want to reverse those code response questions. That would change it from 1, 2, 3 to 3, 2, 1. And then you can select things like the display. Maybe you want it to be horizontal. So I will go ahead and click Save, and I'm getting my preview here. So here's my sample question as it will appear on the survey. And now what we're going to do is actually attach this to a project. So I will click Attach Surveys to Projects up here at the top. The only project which is open right now is Fall 2020, so I can go ahead and click Add Questions. And then I will select a question survey that I've created by clicking Add Custom Survey. On this page, you will see the custom question surveys. We were here just a minute ago and there was nothing because we hadn't created one. Now we have, so we can go LMT Practice. I can either preview it by clicking the preview button, or I can click Select and then move on to my next step, which is to add courses. So to add courses, this will add a pop-up. It will show me all of the courses that I am teaching in this particular term that I may want this survey to be attached to. If you're creating multiple question surveys for different classes, you would be able to select which ones you did and did not want each survey group to be attached to. In this case, there's just the one course, so I'll select that, click Add Selected Course. I get my confirmation, and we're good to go. So if I come back to my home page, one way that I can confirm that this has been done is by clicking the Custom Questions button here, go Fall 2020, and I can see here's my survey title that I created, and I have attached it to one course. Now, if you change your mind and you want to remove a survey from a particular class, you can just straight delete it here. And if you want to delete the question survey itself, you can come back into Custom Question Surveys and you can delete it there as well. So that is how to manage custom questions in your course evaluation system.